Hello students, coming to our topic arithmetic progression. Today we are going to see sum of first n terms of an arithmetic progression. Suppose if a sequence is given, if we want to add all the numbers in the sequence, we use a formula Sn is equal to n by 2 into 2a plus n minus 1 into d, or if the last number an is known in the sequence, we use Sn is equal to n by 2 into a plus n. Exercise 5.3, first problem, find the sum of the following APs. So the first subdivision 2, 7, 12, so on up to 10 terms of an AP. So here where n is equal to 10, so here he is asking to find the sum of the numbers up to the first 10 terms of AP. So here from the sequence I got a is equal to 2, d is equal to 7 minus 2 which is equal to 5, n is equal to 10. So I want to find out the sum of the numbers n by 2 into 2a plus n minus 1 into d. So I am going to substitute the value of a, n and d in my Sn. So I will get S10 is equal to 10 by 2 into 2 into 2 plus n minus 1 is 10 minus 1, so 9 into my common difference is 5. So which is equal to 10 divided by 2, which will be 5. 5 into 4 plus 45. So which is equal to 5 into 45 plus 4, 49. So 5 into 49 which is equal to 245. Hence the sum of first 10 terms of the given sequence is 245. Now second subdivision, minus 37, minus 33, minus 29 and so on up to 12 terms of AP. So I want to find out the sum of the numbers in first 12 terms of AP. So here my A is minus 37, D is equal to minus 33, minus of minus 37. So I get the common difference as 4, where n is equal to 12. So my Sn is equal to n by 2 into 2a plus n minus 1 into d. So I am going to substitute my values here. So Sn is equal to 12. So 12 by 2 into 2 into minus 37 plus 12 minus 1. So it is 11 into my common difference is 4, which is equal to, so 2 divides your 12 6 times. So 6 into minus 37 into 2 minus 74 plus 44. So which is equal to 6 into minus of 30 which is equal to minus 180. Hence I got the sum of the sequence of first 12 terms. Second problem, find the sum of the following APs given below. So under this first subdivision, 7 plus 10 and half plus 14 plus etc. so on till 84, where 84 is my AN. So I am taking my A as 7 here. Common difference is 10 and half minus of 7. So which is equal to 21 by 2 minus of 7. When I am simplifying, I will get 21 minus of 14 by 2 which is equal to 7 by 2. So my common difference is 7 by 2. So here my AN is given as 84. So I want to find out the sum of these numbers in the sequence. So my Sn is equal to n by 2 a plus L, where I am using this formula because my AN is given as 84. So I can use my L as 84 here, and here n is not given. So to find out my n, I am using my AN formula here. AN is equal to a plus n minus 1 into d. So I know my AN is 84, where a is equal to 7 plus n minus 1 into my common difference is 7 by 2. So bringing this 7 to this side, 84 minus of 7 which is equal to n minus 1 into 7 by 2. So 77 is equal to n minus 1 into 7 by 2. So if I bring this 7 by 2 to that side, it becomes 77 into 2 by 7. So n minus 1 is equal to 77 into 2 by 7, where 7 goes 77 11 times. So n minus 1 is equal to 22, n is equal to minus 1 goes that side, it becomes plus 1. So 22 plus 1 is 23. So I got my n is equal to 23. I am going to substitute in my Sn. So S23 is equal to 23 divided by 2. A is 7 plus L is 84 is equal to 23 by 2 into 91. So where this 2 does not divide your 91 exactly, so I am multiplying the numerator. 23 into 91, which is equal to 2093 by 2, which is equal to 1046.5. Third problem, in an AP, he has given A is equal to 5, D is equal to 3, AN is equal to 50. Find N and Sn. So he has not given your N value. So through my AN, I have to find out my N. AN expansion, A plus N minus 1 into D, where my A is equal to 5 and D is equal to 3 and my AN is equal to 50. I am going to substitute those values here. 50 is equal to 5 plus N minus 1 into 3. Bring this 50 to the other side, it becomes minus 5. So 50 minus 5, it becomes 45 is equal to n minus 1 into 3. So bringing this 3 to this side, it comes under division. So 45 divided by 3, it becomes 15, which is equal to n minus 1. So where n is equal to 15, minus 1 becomes plus 1 here. So it becomes 16. So I got n is equal to 16. I am going to substitute this n in my Sn. So Sn is S16, which is equal to n by 2. So 16 by 2 into A plus L. So A is 5, L is, that is An, which is 50. So I got 16 divided by 2, 8 into 55, which is equal to 440. So I got the sum of 16 terms of AP will be 440. Second subdivision, given A is equal to 7, A13 is equal to 35, find D and S13. So here through my A13, I will find my D and I have to substitute in S13. So given A is equal to 7, A13 is equal to 35. So when I expand, I will get A plus 12D is equal to 35. Substituting your A value here, I will get 7 plus 12D is equal to 35. 12D is equal to 35 minus of 7. So 12D is equal to 28. D is equal to 28 by 12. 35. I will get this as 7 by 3. Now I am going to substitute D value in your S13. So S13 is equal to, so n by 2, which is 13 by 2 into A plus L. A is 7, L is my A13, so which is 35. So which is equal to 13 by 2 into 42. So where my 42 goes into 21 times. So I got 13 into 21, which is equal to 273. So my S13 will be 273. Sixth subdivision, given A is equal to 2, D is equal to 8 and Sn is equal to 90. Find N and An. So here we don't know your An as well as your N. So we are writing Sn is equal to n by 2 into 2A plus n minus 1 into D. Substituting A value and D value in the equation, I will get 90. Sn is 90 is equal to n by 2 into 4 plus n minus 1 into 8. Multiplying 2 to the other side, it becomes 180 is equal to n into 4 plus n minus 1 into 8, and multiplying n inside for both the terms, I will get 4n plus 8n into n minus 1. So 180 is equal to 4n plus 8n squared minus of 8n, and if you simplify 4n minus of 8n, I will get minus 4n. So my equation becomes 180 is equal to 8n squared minus 8n. So after simplifying, I will get this equation, quadratic equation, as 8n squared minus 8n minus 80 is equal to 0. So divide all the terms by 4. I get the equation as 2n squared minus 2n minus 45 is equal to 0. So here I am splitting up the middle term here to find the value of n. I will get n value as 2n plus 9 into n minus 5 is equal to 0, where my negative value I cannot take as a counting number. So my positive value n is equal to 5. So I got n is equal to 5. From this I am going to substitute in my an. So an is equal to a plus n minus 1 into d, where n I got as 5. So fifth term will be equivalent to 2 plus n minus 1 is 5 minus 1, 4 into the common difference is a. So 2 plus 32, which is equal to 34. Fifth problem. The first term of an AP is 5. The last term is 45 and its sum is 400. Find n and d. Since your d is not known here, we cannot find n through my an. So I am using my Sn to find my n here. So according to the problem, he has given the first term as 5 and the last term is an is equal to 45, and he has given Sn is equal to 400. So my expansion for Sn is n by 2 into a plus L, since my last term is known here, which is equal to 400. So my n by 2 into 5 plus L is 45, which is equal to 400. So where n by 2 into 50, which is equal to 400. So bringing this 2 to that side, so we have 400 into 2, it becomes 800. So n is equal to 800 divided by 50 to 16. So I got my n as 16. So I am going to substitute in my an to find out my d, where an is given as 45. So where my expansion here, a16 is equal to 45, which implies a plus 15d is equal to 45, where my a is 5 plus 15d is equal to 45. So I get my 15d is equal to 45 minus of 5, it becomes 40. D is equal to 40 by 15, which is equal to 8 by 3. Find the sum of first 51 terms of an AP whose second term and third term are 14 and 18. So according to the problem, he has given A2 is equal to 14 and A3 is equal to 18. So using nth term expansion, I got A2 as A plus B is equal to 14, and here second expansion, A plus 2D is equal to 18. So solving equation 1 and 2, I will get, so both minus of D is equal to minus 4, minus cancel on both sides, I will get D is equal to 4. Substituting D is equal to 4 in my equation 1, I will get A plus D is equal to 14, where A plus 4 is equal to 14, which implies A is equal to 10. So I am going to substitute this A and D in my S51. S51 is equal to 51 by 2, where n is equal to 51. So here 2a, so 2 into 10 plus n minus 1, which is 51 minus 1, 50, into my d value is 4. So which is equal to 51 by 2 into 20 plus 200. So which is equal to 51 by 2 into 220. Further 2 will go 110 times. So 51 into 110 to 5610. So S51, sum of 51 terms will be equivalent to 5610.